Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel Blooming Living. Today, I'm going to share the top 5 essential makeup products that will help you achieve a stunning daily look effortlessly. Whether you're new to makeup or a seasoned pro, these products are a must-have for enhancing your natural beauty. So, let's get started. Product 1 is foundation or tinted moisturizer. First on the list, we have our base, and that's a good foundation or tinted moisturizer. I recommend using a product like NARS Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, which provides great coverage while keeping your skin looking fresh and natural. NARS Radiant Tinted Moisturizer provides a natural, radiant finish with sheer coverage. It evens out your skin tone, hydrates, and leaves your complexion looking fresh and glowing. Product number 2 is mascara. Next up, it's all about the eyes. Mascara is a game changer. I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara today, which does wonders for lengthening and defining lashes. Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara gives your lashes a full, multiplied look. Its brush captures and coats each lash for a dramatic yet natural effect. Product number 3 is lipstick or lip balm. Now, let's add some color to those lips. You can't go wrong with a good lipstick or lip balm. I've chosen Clinique Almost Lipstick in the shade Pink Honey, for a subtle yet gorgeous lip look. Clinique's Almost Lipstick provides a sheer, subtle tint to your lips. It's hydrating and perfect for a natural, just bitten look. Product 4 is blush. For that healthy flush, we've got blush. It's a must for a radiant complexion. Today, I recommend NARS Blush in Orgasm, which gives a beautiful, natural glow. NARS Orgasm Blush is a universally flattering shade with a subtle shimmer. It adds a peachy pink flush to your cheeks, creating a healthy, radiant complexion. Product 5 Eyebrow Pencil or Powder. Last but not least, let's frame those lovely eyes with defined brow. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to shape and enhance my eyebrows. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz is good for defining and filling in your eyebrows. It has a fine tip for precise application and comes in a range of shades to match your brow color. And there you have it, our 5 essential makeup products for a daily gorgeous look. These items are the key to achieving a polished appearance without going overboard. These product recommendations are popular choices known for their quality and effectiveness in creating a daily gorgeous look. Of course, the best products for you will depend on your skin type, tone, and personal preferences, so it's always a good idea to try them out in store or get samples to find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Stay gorgeous and confident, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.